Good afternoon. Trade recap for overnight and Tuesday, 6/16. I had taken trade pretty much off of break here. I kind of knew it was going to be a lower high because there was the week itself is kind of full of news, and then you got FOMC tomorrow. You have President Trump speaking in the morning tomorrow. There's just I didn't think we were gonna get any more highs, so any peak, any wick in any area that was gonna be here was going to be a lower high. That being said, kind of did peak above 20T, which could have continued, but buyers didn't show up. I mean, it's all is more bearish volume than bullish volume. So I'm targeting the lower daily expected move because I think that's where we're gonna go. I mean, we've caught some equal highs here on the retest. So I mean, it is noon. It's lunchtime. I'm assuming there's gonna be a little bit more fuckery around here, and then into the lower low. That being said, that's pretty much the only reason why. I mean, POC was right here at 76.30. False breakout, lower high, leads into a sell-off over pre-market. 5 o'clock opens. It had made a range from earnings or whatever that was. I was like, yeah, 250 right before close. And it retraced, but it like faked out into POC, and basically 76.30 held the entire market. It didn't want any higher. So as far as I'm concerned, that's our resistance here, and that should hold because there's a bunch of liquidity below. Um, Beside that, I could have exited at 75.99. I mean, I was awake by then. I kind of wanted to, but I told myself, I was like, well, this is you're at BE plus one. It's covered. Why would you even attempt to push your luck and just take the current profit? Why would you just not let the trade do its thing, right? Like that's the secret of day trading, is letting the trade do its thing. Cover your risk, BE plus one when you can, and just let the trade do its thing. It's the best bet. Now, my only concern is the 676.11 area is value low. If we bounce from here, like we got to create a lower low. If we bounce from here, I'm going to get stopped out. But there's I don't see anything that the market may want above. Like there's just nothing. I mean, the hourly did bounce off of a support level, but as far as I'm concerned, this is bearish. This is bearish. Yeah, I mean the bearish volume is so much higher. So I'm expecting a retest of that support, and it should give out, but in theory, there's some more bullish volume compounding over here. So that support might actually be where I'd want to exit. I'm gonna keep track of it just in case. I might manually exit, but as far as I'm concerned, I'm just waiting for confirmation. Just need a new low, which we should get. I mean, in theory, we should get. This is probably gonna flatten somewhere over here, so we might actually chop and take it overnight. But yeah, I mean that's pretty much it. It's just I'm lowering my size because it's a crazy week. It's triple witching. Got FOMC tomorrow. There's just too many things that can go wrong or that can offset the market current trend. So I'd rather be defensive with 5 blocks instead of, or 1 block of 5 rather, instead of sending my usual 15-20 and get caught up in reversals and stuff. I mean, look at the candles. Like that's disgusting for price action in the morning compared to yesterday. That was clean trend. Today is just consolidation. Just take it easy. So yeah, that's my recap. Don't have much else. I'm eagerly awaiting tomorrow. See what kind of price action can get out of this range, and also SpaceX, man. Holy crap! SpaceX is just doing absolutely well. I'm so glad I bought over here. I mean, this thing is up 40% right now. My shares are up 40, almost 41%, 42%. I'm uh, I'm pretty happy I took the lead. I did tell all the people to buy some because it's SpaceX. Like if you actually had read what Elon Musk did to counter the IPO hype and to manage to secure gains and secure the shareholders, you would have want to buy. I mean, if everybody that did not want to buy would just they're not proper day trader. They didn't seek more information. They didn't understand the stock. They didn't understand uh, what happens when new rules are added. Or, I mean, they're just defensive. They just didn't want to risk money. But, if you don't risk anything, you don't make anything. So the goal in trading is to manage your risk. You manage your risk to the point where even if you lose, you are still alive. You're still able to trade the next trade. It's the goal of day trading is not to make money. That's the byproduct of day trading. You need to manage your risk. That's all it is managing your risk. My risk was literally at 125, I think, 122, somewhere thereabout. So if the stock would have started falling and no buyers would have came in, okay, I'd still I'd still be alive today, tomorrow, yesterday. Like it didn't matter to me. My risk was covered. Not only that, I made profit. I took bigger trades the couple days before on futures to cover my risk that I was allowing SpaceX to have. So even if I were to lose on SpaceX, I had made the money on futures to cover a loss. Like that's how prepared I was. If you reach that point in trading, you're going to be unstoppable. Like there's no way you're not making money. It's impossible. It's absolutely impossible. And that's what I teach people. That's what I want to teach people. That's what I want people to do is to have a cushion in LTIs, have a bunch of dividends coming in every quarter. That's passive income right there. You can use that passive income to buy more shares, cover more downside risk, and then every day you take your trade on futures, and on top of that, you can trade an option 0 DTE on SPY or QQQ, either a reversal or continuation of the current trend. So if you are to lose on futures, you lose a lot less, and then you let your 0 DTE run. Because if you lose on futures, that means that you entered counter trend. But yeah, that's what I teach in the private community. Check it out. That's just, it's a great way of protecting your capital. It's a great way of playing the game. And even the mentorship, like, I'm building a plan for you to follow that makes trading so freaking boring that you're gonna have to do is just follow 1 through 5 and apply it to the market. Like, it's that simple. It's so simple. It's actually ridiculously simple. Like, the market is so simple. There's no there's no secret to it. Like, you don't need anything. I mean, look at these entries. Like, just that's how you need to trade. That's how I want people to trade. I want people to understand what the market is and read the market, understand the candles, understand what the sentiment is, understand the exchange between buyers and sellers and buyers. And then it leads to, on a day like today, a proper trade, even at low risk. Because my risk was right here. Like, that was right here. I'm basically 12 and a half, 12 and a quarter points, 12 and 3/4 points. That's it for almost 36 points. Which now it's still 28, but whatever. I'm taking that. I appreciate the market giving me this much. But at the end of the day, that's just it. Like, there's no secret to it. Super simple. Keep it simple, guys. That's all you need. Come see me if you have questions. Please, I will help you.